data is available on the dark web. And the cost of cybercrime keeps rising and it spreads everywhere. There is an explosion of cybercrime that impacts us in particular because where we are today with technological advances and our societal changes. Changes that have come about due to the integration of computer technology and digital communication in day-to-day lives. And if you think right now it's a challenge, wait till you see where we're going with artificial intelligence and implants that will actually go into humans. That's coming. And so think about having an implant that's actually being manipulated by somebody else. So everywhere we go, we carry computing devices. I carry one myself. And we have more powerful devices we carry than we really create computers. So, and these devices, if you're like me, are with us 24/7. We never get away from them. So our communication is moved from Pony Express, postal mail, to faxing, now to press of a button and that gets around the world instantaneously. This has changed the culture of criminal activity from where they have to go to you to get into things to they can be anywhere in the world and hack into you and get your information. So it no longer requires a physical movement. So the challenge with computer security is not limited to a computer, an iPhone, the software that must be written to be resilient to attack. It is truly transdisciplinary, as Dr. Lebron said. That involves electrical engineering, where signals can be intercepted and manipulated to disrupt global positioning. Psychology, where understanding and influencing how we respond to what we read is critical to stop phishing and attacks and reduce the effectiveness of social engineering. Medicine, where a patient's life is very dependent upon the records and devices that can be hacked. And the list goes on. The prevalence of security crime and the breadth of disciplines needed to address it is the very reason we have this workshop here. It is an emerging field and a growing field that we feel that we can address at this university and across the state. So, as New Mexicans, as citizens of the world, we need to develop technologies and leverage this innovation and best practices across all these disciplines to develop a more secure and resilient system for our society. Only now can we have technology that improve our lives and help and protect us as well as grow the economy of this state. So I welcome all of you to this event. I regret that I can't be here the rest of the day, but I know you're going to have a very productive workshop, and I look forward to hearing the results of this. And thank you all for being here today. Thank you very much.
It's now my pleasure to introduce Eric Cornelius. He's our keynote speaker today. He grew up in Ruidoso, New Mexico, so he's one of our own local pros. He earned his bachelor's degree, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology here at New Mexico Tech while he was in the Scholarship for Service program. He served in a variety of government positions for 9 years, including as a cybersecurity researcher at Idaho National Labs. His boss, Tom, former boss, Tom, is back in the audience. He was stolen away from that position by the Department of Homeland Security, where he became Cyber Ninja. Since leaving DHS in 2013, he served in a number of positions at Cylance. He was Vice President of Innovation, Director of Critical Infrastructure and Industrial Control Systems, Technical Director of Incident Response and Critical Infrastructure. Now in his role, actually his role just changed. He was Chief Product Officer and he's now Chief Technology Officer. So they haven't even updated that on the webpage yet. He's working to elevate not only product development and initiatives, but to lead management and corporate development teams to ensure future technologies. Eric brings this wealth of knowledge and long history as a cybersecurity practitioner, consultant, advisor, and product builder to our discussion on cybersecurity entrepreneurship. It is my great pleasure to welcome Eric back to New Mexico Tech for this keynote address.
Cool, so Dr. Brian mentioned, I'm Chief Technology